Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Pear, the Thai visa consultant here at Siam Legal and your host for today. If you're someone who's dreaming about enjoying the slower pace of life and soaking up the sun all year round, I hope you find retiring in Thailand an exciting idea. Join me as we dive into everything you need to know about making Thailand your new home. First things first, eligibility requirements. 1. The age requirement. You need to be at least 50 years old. 2. Financial proof. You must have equivalent balance of 800,000 Thai baht in your foreign bank account if applied from abroad and deposit state fund into a Thai bank account once you are here. 3. Criminal background check. And 4. Medical clearance, a health checkup to confirm you're free from certain diseases like tuberculosis or drug addiction. Remember that these last two options are for those who wish to go for the non-OA retirement option. Alright, if that all sounds good, let's move on to how you can make your dream happen. Here is exactly what to do to get your retirement visa. Step 1 is gathering all necessary documents for the e-visa application. We'll need a bank statement showing funds equivalent to 800,000 Thai baht, a copy of your passport, proof of accommodation in Thailand, for example, a hotel reservation, and a flight ticket to Thailand. Once you secure the 90-day non-O visa, you can arrange a lease agreement and open a local bank account to make a deposit, which are required to convert your 90-day visa into a 1-year visa. After maintaining the required 800,000 Thai baht balance for 2 months, you can then extend your visa to a 1-year retirement visa. Keep in mind that every 90 days, you'll still need to visit the immigration office to report your current address. It's a simple process, it's just to keep your records up to date. After 1 year, you may wonder what the renewal process looks like. It's quite simple. Just show proof of sufficient funds maintained over the last 2 to 3 months before renewal, along with any updated documents such as a new lease agreement if you've moved. From the 90-day non-immigrant O application, bank account opening, 1-year retirement conversion, and retirement extension, we can assist you from start to finish so you can just enjoy your retirement without all the fuss. And that's it, your guide to retiring in Thailand. It's all about those easy steps, a little bit of prep, and then you're ready to pack your bags and move here. Thanks so much for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you want to stay updated on Thailand immigration and legal news. สวัสดีค่ะ